Frankie Carbo, originally Paolo Giovanni Carbo, was an Italian-American associated with the Lucchese crime family who began his criminal career as a hired gunman in Murder, Inc. He later transitioned into becoming a prominent figure in the world of professional boxing promotion. Despite numerous arrests and allegations of involvement in multiple murders, Carbo's criminal influence persisted. He formed a successful group called the Combination in the 1940s, known for fixing high-profile boxing matches, earning him the moniker Czar of Boxing. Carbo's involvement even extended to heavyweight boxing with Sonny Liston. However, his legal troubles caught up with him in the late 1950s, resulting in a 25-year prison sentence in 1961. After serving time, he was granted early parole due to health issues and died in Miami Beach in 1976.